thumbs up. Give me a good thumbs up if you know what the hell this is about. This is some good stuff. If you know what this is about, you gotta cut through more stuff and use more fuel and saw blade on all this than you do the actual wood you're cutting down. Which brings us to one of our lessons. Make sure you have your fuel, because I almost ran out of fuel there. That would have sucked. I'm gonna go grab that fuel first. This is lumberjack training right here, right? Get through it, go! Don't break your ankles. Can you make it to the end without falling? The tree's helping him. Is that cheating? No, it's nature. This is getting thin now, guys. What are we gonna do? Oh, I chipped 1 foot. That was a cheat. But I'm going for the leap. All right. We're gonna be safer walking back this time. This will be boring. All right, I got it. We're back over here. Let's fuel it up. Less is more. Don't spill it like I did. Some oil. Oh, look at that. I couldn't see. There was a shadow. Man, my bar is going to be really lubed up now. It's like Niagara Falls here. It's so tasty. Yum, 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 yum. Suck it up. It's not actually good for the bar. We got to get out of the chain. I mean, it's good for the bar, I guess. Let's whip it around. Me likey. Okay. Next one. We're gonna go with that one. These are going uphill. Let's go over there and knock that one out and then that one out. And then I could probably, this is so dainty, I might take that out. And 1, 2, 3. No, I'm just gonna take this one too real quick. one is directly in my way. And this is leaning hard that way. So I am going to go clean that up first. And then I'll just drop this one going that way once that's cleaned up. Make smart decisions. Alright, see? So this is one of those times where I have to go undercut and not downcut, because otherwise it'll pinch my blade. So what I did was I made a small notch here, and I'm going to go under this and finish this undercut. See, and it released nicely for me. If I would have done that the other way, my blade would have gotten pinched inside of there. And then I would have been out here wrestling with that. Even though it's a small log, I still would have been wrestling with it because it's really long. Turn it off. I got the wind up there blowing on me. It kind of pinched my blade. I mean, it's not pinched. You can see it's still loose, but it wants to pinch. I had to go a little further, though, to get that cut and fall over. so I might have not been filming that the whole time. So I got a problem with the saw. Okay, I don't know what the problem is yet, but there's a problem with the saw. It keeps clenching this, like it's very, very tight right now. There's something going on inside here. I just took it apart out there. I don't know if I got it on film. I don't know if it's this piece that's rubbing or stuck, but it's clenching that blade like it's so tight right now, and it shouldn't be. So I'm gonna get into that. I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna go from there. I really don't know if I'm gonna film it or not. Maybe I do. Maybe it's right here. So we don't stop production, I have my backup saw, which you saw me load earlier. So I'm going to use that to buck these logs up real quick, and we're going to keep going. They're starting to pull these logs up out of my way, up to the log yard, which is great, and I'm going to start chaining them up and getting them along for them as well. So you'll see some of that going on. You'll see the boys pulling those things up, which is cool. They're super helpful. Other than that, let's get to work.